Hiya. Now, I don't consider myself anyone particularly special. I'm just an ordinary person. But one thing I am is very, very proud to be Welsh, and that's something that's always been very strong with me. Is I'm proud of my roots. I'm proud of my nation, proud of its history, and so on. And yet, I've just been through the town centre here in Blackwood, which is a fairly typical South East Wales town, I think. And everywhere I go, what do I see? I see displays of Mrs. Windsor, the Queen of England, and people in the shops all the way through the town are celebrating the Queen's Golden Jubilee, or Diamond Jubilee, or whatever the hell bloody Jubilee it is. I don't care. She's not my Queen after all. How quickly people forget that we used to be a proud nation. We used to have our own independence, our own monarchy, although, tell the truth, even if we still had our own monarchy and we were independent, I'd still oppose the Welsh monarchy, because I think monarchy is an inherently bad system of government anyway. But it's just so disheartening to look around Blackwood, around any town centre in Wales you care to mention, and see all these tributes and homage to a foreign queen who's got nothing at all to do with Wales. And a few weeks ago as well, when the Queen came to visit Ebbw Vale and Merthyr, it was so disheartening to see the sheep that the Welsh people have become. I wonder, do we really deserve independence? Do we really deserve to have our own institutions in Wales when we are so sycophantic towards the foreign monarchy? What has the Queen ever done for us? What has the royal family ever done for us? What has the so-called Prince of Wales, who is not Welsh, who was not appointed by the Welsh people, ever done for us? And yet people are sucking up to the monarchy left, right and centre. It makes me sick. It really does. There's a famous Welsh poem by Gerall Llywyd Owen called Fy Ngwlad, which means my land, and this is a translation of it by Miriam McIntyre Hughes. It's just so appropriate to the situation now with this stupid Jubilee nonsense. Llywelyn, tears of blood you'd weep if you should see this from your sleep. Our heart in a foreigner's hand, our ancient throne in a conqueror's land. A nation where the meek are bound, where once were men who stood their ground. We smile beneath the royalty. Peasants are peasants, never free. We'll carry on our slavish way, content and happy, come what may. Lost of roots, nothing to save, without a care but to behave. We shall not be deceived for long by fables and historic song, for we, who now just count to 10, are Wales's Rule Britannia men. We are the patriots who lack fire, the headstrong international choir. In honour of your name, my land, I'll ride with reddened sword in hand, and nothing more than this is true, how I could spill this blood for you. Llywelyn would weep tears of blood if he could see the way that his people have become slaves to the foreign monarchy that is the British crown. I really do despair of my own people sometimes.